Hi, welcome to lesson 4 of Excel. My name is Sophie. I'm going to be your trainer, coach, and mentor for this particular session. Now, in the previous session, what we have learned was to understand the difference between workbook and worksheet. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn what is autofill. Alright? Now, so what is autofill? Now, in order to understand what is autofill, we must first set up the question by inserting data in the cells. So, for example, if I would like to insert the word autofill at B2, I need to click on B2 first. Now, how do I check whether I'm at B2? I must see whether the words here is highlighted in orange, B, number highlighted in orange here too as well. So you notice here that it's highlighted in black, and in the name box it says the word B2. Once that's done, straight away I type in the word autofill. Now, once that's done, I hit the enter button. So that is done. Now, let's say I would like to insert the data at B3, number 1, and at B4, number 2. Enter. Now, once it's done, what my goal is to ensure that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 is being filled up automatically. So what do I have to do is, first things first, highlight B3 and B4. So in order to highlight is white plus, click and drag. Now once this is done, alright, I point my cursor at the bottom right until it becomes a black plus. Notice I mentioned the word black plus, not black arrow, a big difference. Alright, so I need to hover over the bottom right, make sure it's clearly a black plus. Once that's done, I click and drag, and there'll be a preview on the right side, as you notice there. Do not let go, click and drag until I see 10. Right, so once I see that, then I let go. So that's what autofill is. It automatically fills up the number without me having to type in the rest of it. I just have to type in the first 2 numbers at the beginning. So it doesn't work only vertically, it works horizontally as well. So let's say if I would like to type in the word at C3 number 2, alright, then I press enter. So let's say if I like to fill in horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, alright, what do? Highlight B3 to C3. Now white plus, yeah? Once it's done, I point my cursor at the bottom right until it becomes a black plus. Once it's done, I click and drag until all the way till I see the word B10. Once it's done, then I let go. So you notice that it automatically filled up horizontally, vertically, right? Now, next thing, what I need to do is that doesn't only work for numbers. It works for days as well. So let's say if at D5, I type in the word Monday. At D6, I type in the word Tuesday. So what it does is that, let's say if I would like to fill up the rest of the dates automatically. So highlight white plus D5 to D6 first. So once I highlight, you notice that it's highlighted in black, right, all over. Point my cursor at the bottom right. Make sure it's a black plus, not a black arrow. It's a very sensitive mouse, so make sure to tender loving care. Okay, now once it's done, click, drag all the way till Sunday. Once it's done, then I let go. So this is what it means by autofill. Alright, now does it work for calendar as well? Yes. So let's say if I like type in the word Jan, Feb, months. So what it does is that subsequently, it does fill up the rest all the way till December. So same rule applies. Highlight white plus, right? Bottom right, hover over it till black plus. Click, drag all the way till you see the word December. Oh, if it's too far, don't let go until you see the December. Then you see clearly December, then you let go. So notice how it's pretty direct, right? So that's how you do autofill. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. See ya!